During this entire immigration crackdown in our state, you've likely seen scenes like that one. Federal agents taking pictures of people they have stopped. But we hadn't heard about how they're being used until now. A new report from the New York Times claims ICE and Border Patrol agents in our state are using facial recognition technology to not only identify undocumented people, but also track citizens that are protesting their presence in our state. So Gordon went to look into how this works and the concerns around its use. Gordon?
Well, facial recognition technology is everywhere. When you pick up your phone and you scan your face, when you go to a major sporting event, you may be scanned when you walk in. But now that federal agents are likely using this technology out in public on American citizens, many are concerned about privacy.
It was not surprising.
While some may be surprised to hear federal agents may be using facial recognition technology in the field, U of M law professor Francis Shen is not, because he experienced it firsthand when he recently went to a protest to observe the crowd.
And as I'm standing there, one of the ICE officials has his little mobile camera and he's videotaping us.
Shen assumes that camera was likely using facial recognition technology, collecting facial images from the crowd and cross-referencing that information against pictures and information on the internet. From a law perspective, Shen says it's a gray area.
Their argument is it's public data. We didn't hack into anyone's account. This is public. Somebody posted it. But the key distinction is that when someone makes their data public, they don't necessarily give consent for that data to be used by the government in surveillance.
We reached out to the Department of Homeland Security to see how the agency and their partner Clearview AI is capturing and using this data. We have not heard back from DHS or the company at this time, but we did find a public notice from DHS a year ago regarding facial recognition technology and how at that time it was only being used at airports and border crossings and for investigations into child exploitation. It doesn't mention anything about being used in the field. But again, that was a year ago, and a lot has changed since then.
The use of it itself is not surprising.
Michael Rosen is a security expert who has clients like the Mall of America, which is currently using facial recognition technology to look for criminals and people who have been kicked out of the mall.
A number of our clients have experienced tremendous value from it.
So he argues the problem isn't with the technology, it's with how it's being used.
It's about how it's deployed, against whom it's deployed, and what is the oversight.
In a statement, the ACLU of Minnesota argues that federal agents using facial recognition technology in the field is violating the First and Fourth Amendments. We're also hearing from lawmakers who are concerned about privacy, and they want more information that explains how this technology is being used.
Thank you so much, Gordon. I'm going to assume this isn't the last time we hear about this kind of story, so we'll keep following it.